Yo, TITANX is pumping, guys. Want to know what's next for TITANX? We're talking about some APYs that are like 900 plus percent. So let's jump into TITANX now, July 2025, and see what's going on in that ecosystem. Let's check it out. What up, peeps? Let's talk about TITANX on July the 17th, 2025. Man, I dropped a video and a TITANX clown out of the blue came through and said, talk about TITANX again, you'll get your views back up. Laughing that I have just a few views on my videos. Well, guess what, bruh? When I talk about BitNest, I'm getting views. However, when I talk about TITANX, bruh, ain't nobody looking at TITANX. I did a search on TITANX, guys. Check this out. It ain't getting nothing but 100 views. Everybody know that TITANX is dead. However, there is a price pump. And check this out, man. So this guy leaves this comment a day ago. And as I'm looking through the hype on what TITANX is doing, man, I stumbled across this video, man. Check this out by Blockchain Rossetti. TITANX earned passive income of 952%. Have you guys seen this? I mean, it got 500 plus views. Check this out, guys. This is so funny.
It's a simple yet highly effective way to earn passive income in the crypto space.
If you just
This might just be two easy steps. You can start earning up to 952% in passive crypto income. No matter your experience level in crypto, this is one of the simplest and most secure ways to grow your portfolio. I'll personally be staking my assets here moving forward.
That girl gonna stake her assets there going forward. Now, first of all, this looks like it's AI generated. But it's interesting that she says it's kicking out 952%, and she gonna stake her personal assets going forward in this project. Check this out, guys. You go out to her channel. Let's see what she about. She doing the exact same thing with TITANX that she did for Topia and Dude. Man, check this out.
Hey everyone, and welcome
what does she
to
say
staking journey from setup to earn 2% in passive crypto income. 2% in passive these steps, you can start earning up to 952% in passive crypto income. No matter your experience level in crypto, this is one of the simplest and most secure ways to grow your portfolio. I'll personally be staking my assets here moving forward.
She gonna stake her assets there too, man. This is the exact same video, guys. Man, has TITANX really fallen that low to where they had to come out and pay this person here to post a video? Oh, that is so embarrassing, guys. But for you guys that do see this video, please do not fall into the trap of thinking that TITANX is kicking out these returns. You are going to lose your money. Another thing this guy talking about, I know he came out here because he wanted me to do a video on TITANX. So here it is, bruh. Let's look at the price of TITANX. We see that it is going up. So he's like, oh snap, the price going up. Let me holler at Mr. Fire real quick, see if he can post a video, show him that we pumping now. Guys, the principle is still the same. If you go look at my channel, do a search on TITANX, I have gone into great detail to share with you guys why this project is going to fail. Just because pump and dumps come, guys, does not mean it's a legit project. TITANX has been built on sinking sand. It's reached an all-time low and hit that low 2 times. Each time, some money comes in, and keep in mind, guys, you do not know what's going on behind the scenes. The developers can get together and say, hey, let's take some of this quote unquote money that Jake Sharp or whatever his name is set to the side, millions of dollars, whatever the case is, and let's throw a little bit money in, pump the price up a little bit, because they know that this is what gets you guys interest when you see the price going up. But I said it back then when someone tried to hit me up and say, hey, the price is going up. I'm like, you are just going to serve as exit liquidity, bruh. Don't put your money out here when you see the price pumping. And sure enough, the time came where the price hit that point, and then the people that got in before you are selling off. They are going to continue to play this game, guys. And if you're stupid enough with your money to put it into TITANX, well, you're going to end up with losses here as well. Now, we already see that it's hit that close to that all-time low twice. The third time it'll probably tank even below that. So like I say, it's gonna get closer and closer to zero over the course of time. And if you really want to risk your money, guys, I'm not a big proponent of DeFi or anything, but get in the BitNest. BITNEST.me. At least that's running and kicking out some returns for the time being. I think it's a Ponzi or whatever the case is. Don't know what's really going on behind the scenes. But if you're going to risk your money, put it in a platform that's not going to lock up your capital and put it in a platform that's going to actually give you some better returns than what it is that you put in. With this, they're giving you a crappy token that's built on Ethereum that's trying to sell you some other crappy tokens that are built on TITANX. Bruh, they're printing this stuff out of thin air. How many times do I have to tell you guys? Do not invest in tokens that cost the developers nothing to produce because they are valueless, have no value whatsoever. So if you continue to go against that knowledge or wisdom or education, you are setting yourself up for failure. And even now, right? Look at this. That price is starting to dwindle down a little bit. Hey, it might go up a little bit more. Hell, they might even take it up a lot higher to get you guys incentivized to put your money in. But I tell you what, guys, those of you that are already in and underwater, you better take this as an opportunity to get out while you can. Trust me, guys, because this will soon be back down closer to zero. All right, man. Let's see here. What's your name? Jay Kingston. This is what you wanted, bro. This is what you got. So you guys enjoy this video. Again, come out here to my channel. I'm not going to go through all the research again because I've already done it and documented it in these videos. So go out there and check it out. This was a good one here. Whales keep dumping on the head because those whales are getting in before you. They want your money as exit liquidity, and that's how they're gonna play that game. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.